hard to believe it is that time of year again, but it's time to get back to school. And Dawn McCarthy from Dawn's Corner has some really great products that are going to help make this transition so much easier. Dawn, it's so good to see you.
Hi, Amber. How are you?
I love all of these goodies that you have. Let's jump right into this because I know this book is probably for kids, but I have been looking through the artwork. It's absolutely beautiful.
I know. So first up, it's Webster the Beagle series by Frank PAYNE, and which is perfect for back to school for parents or teachers to read to kids with great illustrations too. I'm glad you saw that. And in this most recent book, Webster the Beagle and His Adventures at the River, readers will be inspired to never give up on their dreams. So a little backstory, Amber. The late Webster, who inspired this entire series, was a therapy dog in the community, and Frank PAYNE wanted to keep his legacy alive with a sweet series that promotes animal rescue. So 100% of the proceeds benefit local animal shelters and other children's foundations. So check out websterthebeagle.com. I know you love animals, so I know you'd love this.
Oh my goodness. I didn't realize that was so special about this book, but that makes it even better.
Yeah. And so now I wanted to not forget the mom and dad. So I've got something for them to enjoy as the kids head back to school, and it's BLUELENE. So this is a patented anti-aging skincare line. It's an absolute miracle worker with its key ingredient, Methylene Blue, which has been known to outperform retinol. So Methylene Blue is going to promote skin cell health, repair, reverse skin aging, and protect against UVA and UVB radiation. So Methylene Blue will double your own body's collagen and elastin. It's smoothing, hydrating, and firming of the skin. So BLUELENE has a brand new Hand Plus cream, which is a must for driving the kids back to school. So along with some of the other favorites I like their Blue Vado Sun Fix, their Night Plus, their eye cream, and face and neck remodel mask. It's going to be hard for you to pick a favorite. So parents, add this product to your cart at BLUELENE.com.
And speaking of looking good, we know something that I know I still even deal with it, but teenagers deal with a lot, acne. You have something that's going to ease that.
Me too. I deal with acne still too, but this is a solution for our tweens who suffer with acne. So say goodbye to breakouts with Prana Spaceuticals BanAcne Kit. So these are acne-safe products to get your tweens ready for back to school. This kit is a comprehensive skincare solution designed to target acne at its source. So banana oils. So did you hear that? Banana oils, Amber, naturally help prevent breakouts from the start. This all-in-one kit includes the BanAcne cleanser, the polish, and recovery lotion. Each are formulated to work together to clear blemishes, reduce that inflammation, and prevent future breakouts. So leaving your skin clear, smooth, healthy, and you feeling more confident. So lastly, also for those late nights, the Rise and Shine sleeping mask that they have is a quick go-to for future breakouts. Just apply and go to sleep. Check these products out. You can get them at pranaspaceuticals.com.
Something that I know that I will use because I am always dealing with knots and messy hair. This brush is fabulous.
Yeah, so finally, the CC Spray and Style Brush. Say goodbye to those stressful hair brushing routines with your kids. The CC brush was created by a mom who actually struggled to comb through her own daughter's knotty hair. So what did she do? She created the CC Spray and Style, which combines your hair care essentials into one convenient tool. Its gentle, innovative design glides through knotty hair with ease, and wait for it, Amber, holding your hair product of choice. So what's going to happen is you're going to pop off the end of the brush, and there's a little spray bottle inside. You can put your detangler, any type of your hairspray in it, and you'll just put it in. You're able to just spray it on your hair. Then you can comb through it while it's wet, while it's dry, and then you just pop back on the cap, and then you can just go ahead, continue to just push it through your hair. It works great on people with extensions or really naturally curly hair. I absolutely love it, and I've truly never been so impressed by a brush, and it's the ccbrush.com.
And speaking of products, this is a product we probably don't want to get in our hair, but it's definitely we want to get on our hands because I love a good craft session. And I love a glue gun. And you have some fun ones. I mean, hello, sparkles.
I know. So lastly, this is the Crafter's Creativity Kit, hot glue gun with a detailed tip from Schoool. This glue gun comes with 73 sticks, clear, color, and glitter. It's perfect for classrooms, art projects, holiday crafts, and homeschooling. The kit features an extended tip for accurate, detailed work, as well as a lighted power light, insulated nozzle, detachable auxiliary stand, and a safety fuse for enhanced protection. The use of high temperature creates a better bond, so you can actually use this on paper, Amber, fabric, wood, plastic, metal, ceramics, and more. So it's my go-to glue gun, and love all the colored glue sticks like you. It's something the whole family can enjoy. And again, this is at Schoool.com.
Where can we find more information on all of these and some of the other great tips that you always have?
You just go to dawnscorner.com, and I can connect you to all these brands that I featured and so much more.